Dear students, now we will see next practical. The aim of the practical is program for addition using FAR procedure. So what is near and what is FAR procedure? In the previous practical we have seen program for addition using near procedure. So near procedure is a procedure which is written in the same segment where the main program is, and the FAR procedure is a procedure which is written in the different segment. So this is the program for addition using FAR procedure. Here the procedure is written in the different segments. So now we will see the program. See, the first number is 15H, second number is 18H, and this is the message for the output result. Okay, so this M1 is the first number, M2 is the second number, M3 is for the result, and we have included all these messages in the data segment. Now code segment contains the actual program. So here we have assigned the logical segment to the physical segment using the assume directive, that is assume CSS code and DSX data. This is used to initialize the data segment. Then these three statements are used to display the message. As we have seen, this move h, 09h, this 09h of anti 21h is used to display the message. So it will display this message, program for addition using FAR procedure. Then this is the these three statements are used to display the message, that is result, that is the output statement. Now here we have taken the first input in AH, second input in BH register, add this BH and AH, and the result is stored in BH here, and from the BH it is stored in the AL register. Okay, so now the result is in AL register. As we have seen, the output is 15 plus 18 is 3 in that perspective. So the output is 2DH. Okay, so as in the previous practical we have seen that if we want to display this 2, then we have to mask this D. So we will multiply or AND this D by 0F0, so it is 0 and 2. So here our output is 20, but we want to, as we want to print the individual digits, so here we want to, so we will rotate this. To rotate this we have to take the counter as 4, it will switch the 0 and 2, so it becomes 0 2, and now we will call the procedure which is a FAR procedure to print this 0 2. Okay, next is 2D. So we want to display this 2. So to display this 2, we will mask or we will multiply or AND it by 0FH. So if we AND this 2D by 0F, then it will give the output as D. So we want D and we will get the output as D, and then we will call the procedure, that is the FAR procedure. Okay, this is used to return to the DOS prompt. So what is in the FAR procedure? So see, this is the FAR procedure, code 1 segment, and here we have assume code 1 as CS and data as DS, and this is the procedure, that is the FAR procedure, and here it compares the output with the 0AH. As we want to display the 2DH, so it compares the output with each of the individual bit with A and JL. Next, if it is less than A, then it will add 30 to make it ASCII, otherwise it will add, if the number is greater than 8 then it will add 37h, and then we will move into the DL register, and by using the 0 to h function we will print that output on the monitor, है ना. So as we have seen, 0 to is the output function which is used to display the output. Okay, so this is the for procedure, and here we have used for procedure to display the output on the screen. Now we will run this program. So this is the command prompt. Okay, now as we have stored this file in c:\masum addf.asm. okay, so it is cd masum m2 add f.asm. there is no error. If there is error, then we have to remove that error. So it will convert this, m2 will convert this addf.asm file into .obj file. Next is l2 addf.obj, and the last command is add f.exe. okay, so the output is 2dh. so this is the program for addition using for procedure, and the output is 2dh. okay, so this is the output, and this is regarding the program of addition using for procedure. okay, so thank you so much.